Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 28th of April 2022. Looking across crypto markets so far today, continue to see the high correlation trading with US equities, in particular the Nasdaq, and you can see that reflected in recent trade. You did see a bit of a spike yesterday in Nasdaq prices on the back of Facebook earnings, which didn't actually beat expectations. It was pretty mixed, but nevertheless, Facebook had its largest up day since 2013. So quite an interesting move there. But moving on, let's focus on Bitcoin for now, and the main focus is this channel. We continue to talk about it. I'll talk about it again, and we've come right into the bottom of it once again and seen another bounce to the upside. So quite clearly here, the main technical areas to be watching on Bitcoin right now is this channel. Will it hold? Can this structure remain? If it doesn't, where do we break down to? I can see moves down into 35 and then even that post correction low around 33. If we continue to hold, then of course the shape will continue moving to the upside, and we can see temporary moves above the 40 into 41,265, and then we can start looking to the highs again from this most recent consolidated area of around 45,465. Looking at Litecoin, currently tracking at around 101.91, I should say. As you can see, just seeing a bit of mean reversion around the 100 handle at the moment. Quite a nice round number to be trading at. Below, you've got that move down into the 92 region. I think that was the low from over the past month. Overhead, you've got some resistance coming through at around 115, as you can see. That was basically the previous weekly high. So far this week, we've seen that move down on Monday, but again, market's just trying to resettle post that and looking to fade that Monday's move down back into 105. So again, very much in line with how equities have been recently. Ripple, as we can see on the lower time frame here, I'm on the 5-minute. We can see a lot of consolidation right now. Nothing much in the way of no real technicals to report, apart from this resistance here that you're seeing at 0.65. As you can see on the 5-minute, you can see rejection. Every time we've gone near here, it's been a rejection around that 65.30 area. If we can get above here and get a breakout above their most recent highs, then we can target a move in the short term into 0.6845. As you can see, starting to get a little bit of a trend line to the downside and a bit of a triangular wedge shape here. So if that breaks, then that break to the upside could be on. If it breaks to the downside on that 5-minute time frame, then we could be on for a move back down to retest that current weekly low, which comes in at around 0.6275, and then look to 0.6175 from there. Ethereum has been trading around that 3,000 handle, round number, as you can see there. A bit of resistance and support coming in when we've been reaching there in recent times. But apart from that, the main range that I'm watching on here at the moment is 31.75 overhead and 27.70, which is basically that current weekly low. You can see that was a bit of resistance in the past, acted as support over the past few hours or day of trading. If we break down below that, then it's a case of moving down to that most recent 2500 or even 2360 handle. If we can continue to move higher, then we move back into the 3175. But that'll be a case of can the bulls regain control again back above the 3000 handle to force that 3175, or we're going to continue this lower high setup that we've been putting in and make another one around about here where we're at now, around the 3000, before taking another leg lower below the support. No major news headlines to bring your way in the crypto space for today, so I'll leave it there for now. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.